Today I am going to show you some of the features of the Precor 9.35. Just some of the basic features. I'm going to go more into depth in different ways that you can train and some of the different programs later. But this will just give you an overall idea of what the treadmill is capable of. Here's my user display here. This right here is my stop key. So when it's not in, you obviously can't use it. This is really good because I have kids and I keep this in a safe place so that they are not able to access it and get on it. So you put the stop key in here. I'm trying to do it one-handed, so it goes in there. And then this clip can actually get clipped to your clothing. It's also a safety precaution. So if you were to lose your footing or fall off the treadmill, it would take the stop key out and the treadmill would stop. We set it there for now. So right here you see, as soon as I put that in, it says to choose a user, quick start, or program. Over here you actually can see that there's 4 different users that you can program this for. Right now the only ones using it are my husband and myself, so I'm actually user number 1. This was actually really easy to set up, and the man who came and installed this for me showed me how to set myself up as a user on here. So I'm going to press user number 1 here. Since it's already for me, it says, you know, my name, my previous program. I was running on manual, and I can choose this same program, or I can select a new program up here. So up here you'll see 6 different choices. We have manual, interval, variety, heart rate, weight loss, and performance. Most of these, except I believe the weight loss and the heart rate, you can toggle in between. So you could be in the middle of a manual program and you could change to an interval setting, which I know I've run on a few different treadmills before that you have to completely finish one program or stop and restart. So that's pretty cool. So over here you'll see, you know, warm up, fat burn, cardio, and peak high. Those are all based on your heart rate. This actually comes with a heart rate strap so that you can actually train with your heart rate, which I'm also going to go into further in another post. It also displays your calories burned here, and then over here we have a data menu. You've got your numeric characters, 0 through 9, clear and enter, and these will help you set up your user, as I said over here. They also can help you toggle between, you know, say you're going 3 miles an hour and you want to go 5. You'd press up on the speed button here, and then you would press 5, 0, and enter it here, and it would go up without having to manually press it. Right here is your time, your goal, the keys that allow you to go up and down on your time and your goal, metrics, options, and pace. Down here we have another set of buttons. When you're working out, you can either choose to show your time elapsed or your time remaining. By pressing this button, you're able to go back and forth there. These displays will also light up for your speed and your incline once you're going on a program. And then this also gives you the option to look at how far you've gone, your pace that you're actually going at right now, or your average speed for your workout. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of an idea of how I would do a program. Down here you can do your incline up and down, your speed up and down, your quick start, and your stop button here. Okay, we're going to come back over to the user settings here. Say you're not set up as a user on here. You can go ahead and enter as a guest. If you're going to go as a guest, you would just choose your program. So I'm going to choose manual here. Then it would prompt you to press OK. You would enter your time. It defaults to 30 minutes, but you can go up or down. So say I wanted to run for 40 minutes. I'm going to press OK. Since I'm not logged into my user setting and I'm a guest, it's going to ask me to enter my weight and my age. So I'm going to enter my weight here and my age. Press OK. And then it'll tell me that the belt is starting. I'm going to go ahead and reset it here. Pause. If you press once, it'll pause it for you. If you press it twice, it's going to go ahead and reset it. And I'm going to go into my actual user setting again. So here's user number 1. It says, welcome Tiffany. Since I have my other stuff already, like my weight and my age already programmed, I can just press a button here. It's the manual. I press OK, and the belt's going to start for me. So it defaults to a speed of 1.0. If I get a little shaky here, it's because I am actually on the treadmill and I'm able to show you the features better if I'm moving on it. So you can go up and down here by a push of that button here. So I'm at 1.5. One cool thing about this treadmill is the fact that it has a decline on it. I've never actually run on a treadmill that has a decline. This will show you your incline and your decline here. So if I want to decline, I'm going to go like that. And as you can see here, it goes to a 2% decline. And then I could actually go up, and here you'll see that the incline goes to a 15% grade, which is a pretty good workout if you've walked at a 15% incline. I'm going to go ahead and bring that back down. It takes just a little bit of time for the incline to get all the way up. I'm going to bring it back down to 0. And you remember how I said if I don't want to toggle all the way up, I can enter my speed here. So say I'm ready to go at 3 miles an hour. I'm going to put my speed up 1, and then I'm going to enter 3, 0, enter. Let's try that again. 3, 0, enter. There we go. Now it's going to bring my speed up to 3.0. I think you just have a few seconds after you bring it up or down to be able to enter it in here. So that's how you do that. Up here it's going to tell me my calories, and it would show me my heart rate if I had the heart rate monitor on, but I don't right now. I'm going to show you that in a heart rate training post. I'm on manual right now. Say I want to go to an interval training. All I'm going to do is press interval, and then it's going to ask me if I want to do a 1-to-1, custom, 1-to-3, 1-to-2. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the 1-to-1 and press OK. And then here it's going to show you that your intervals are going to be at 3%. And I will control my speed down here. So that's how that works there. This shows you your time remaining. And if I press this button here, it tells me my time elapsed. So how long I've been going. Over here, it shows you your distance, your pace. You're going at a 20-minute mile right now. And your average speed is 2.1 miles per hour. So like I said, you can toggle between the different workouts. Choose a random one here. And I'll go more into the other workouts in other posts as well. But those are just a few of the basic features of the Precor 9.35. As you can see, there are a lot of different features to help you successfully train.